Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I come back to the book of memes, BOME. Okay, so I don't know what they say, this is BOME or something like that. But the thing is that on Atom Trades, which is my private, I actually try to trade BOME for some time. Okay, so I'm going to actually tell you what's going on. And here we go. Okay, so if Bitcoin, all right, so this is the first call of BOME. BOME buy at 9493, stop at 9339. We were taking up to 2% of risk, and I was looking to cash out for a 56%. This was the setting for BOME, and I always say this, whenever a coin comes down for the retest, it is just a good idea for you to end up having entries at the retest of something, because this was resistance, broke up, came down, and this is where my entry really was. But unfortunately, BOME just failed, and I said that all those tries were important. Actually, I took another trade again, so second trade still failed. Okay, so 2 times I fail the trade, but it even ended up being worse because it went way below. And that's why private is important. A lot of you say, why should I join you for private and pay or something? Look at the risk that we took, 2% and 4%. Okay, and also we were not trading with a lot of money, so we were using like 25% of money to trade, so we were losing like nearly $4 to $5 out of $1,000. So imagine losing $4 to $5 while other people are losing hundreds of dollars because their money management is too weak or their trading game is just too bad. So I took the trade and I said that we were buying off support, but it looks like Bitcoin does not have good intention. One more thing, you don't like private? Fine. Here's the trade ideas, okay? So the trade ideas I'm posting and I keep posting in. I've had success with Pepe, so I gave this on 22 July. Had a rising wedge, broke down, and yes, Pepe actually made it down to the technical target, giving in 46% in profits. If you want to be a part of the Discord, just comment Discord on this video and I'm going to give you the invitation links. Now here we go with BOME, and now BOME, you can see this was our entry. Okay, so we did even have a very successful retest, to be honest with you, because just notice how yeah, I'm just going to show you in just a second. Notice how you had all that resistance line going on, and then I just took right at the retest. Okay, I had to take it right at the retest. I didn't have any choice because it did look like the retest was successful, with this being even your confirmation candle right over there, this green candle that you see. But unfortunately, you just went all the way to the downside and then you kept on moving even lower. So basically, how much did I save myself? I lost 2% to save 17%. Imagine that, okay? And a lot of you may have lost a lot, but that's the thing with the private, that it's a place where proper money management is done. Now I'm going to bring in the RSI, and I think that we are about to fall down into the lowest of the lowest on the RSI. So if I just drag it like that, we are about to enter into that department where it's still good time to enter. And if I do zoom out just a little bit more, then you can take the trend line and you can expect this to be another huge, probably buying opportunity for BOME. So yes, if someone is going to ask me, hey, do you think BOME is a good entry? I kind of like will say yes, because that's going to be one support move up, one support move up, another support move up, and this is still yet another support and maybe just another good place to buy again. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you with the next one. Love is.